was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today, guys, I'm going to teach you another powerful cloud puller. Yes, another power on the crowd puller. So it should be food up, okay? So like I thought the last one I taught you guys one cloud puller. So most of you were complaining that their shop is this, that they cannot break the tiles, their shop is upstairs, they cannot do it upstairs, so if there's another one. Okay, you understand? So today I'm going to teach you another cloud puller, okay? Another cloud puller, a very powerful one, even powerful than the first one I dropped, okay? So if this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is the channel, do well to hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I wouldn't want you to miss other important video from me. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. And if you're interested in joining my WhatsApp group, let me know in the comment section. I will add you to my WhatsApp group for free. So what you are going to need for this is you are going to need a white cloth. You are going to need a black thread. You are going to need white thread, and you are going to need a coconut. Yes, a coconut, white cloth, black thread, white thread, and another thing you are going to need is alligator pepper and salt. Yes, you are going to need alligator pepper and salt. So these are the items you are needing: the the salt, the alligator pepper, the coconut, the white cloth, the black thread, and the white thread. Okay. So the first step you have to do: hold your coconut. Then remember, coconut has 3 eyes, right? So out of the 3 eyes, you are going to open one of the eyes. Okay, you can just use a biro or anything you can use to open one of the eye of the coconut. Then you open one of the eyes of the coconut. Then when you are done opening the eye of the coconut, that's one eye of the coconut, yes. Then you now get your alligator pepper. So you remove the alligator pepper. You are going to put all of it. Yes, you are going to put all of it. As in, you will be putting the seed one by one inside that coconut water. Yes. So to make it easier for you, get small alligator pepper, because the bigger it is, the more the seed, and the more time it will take it to put. So get small alligator pepper. So you open it, you'll be putting the seed one by one till you finish all the seed inside. Then when you are done with that, then get first small quantity of salt, then add it inside that place to add salt to it. So you can make use of sea salt, you can make use of table salt. Me, most time I make use of table salt. If you ask me, I don't know, but my spirit like me using table salt. So you can use any either sea salt or table salt, that's cookie salt, okay? So after you have added the salt to it, then you sealed it. When you are done sealing it, you can use anything to seal it. Then you get your white cloth. The After you have gotten your white cloth, that is white yard now, white material, right? Then you put the coconut on top of the white material. Okay. Why do this? Please don't talk to anybody. I stay where eyes will not disturb you, where you have no distraction. So you put the coconut inside on top of the white cloth, just like the way you are seeing on the screen like this. So after you have put it on the white cloth like this, then the next thing you are going to do is to wrap it. So you wrap it in this format, the way I see it. So use the white cloth to wrap the coconut, fold it in a way that no part of the coconut will be seen. So there's no particular direction you have to wrap it. So just wrap it the way you want, anyhow you want it. But make sure the cloth cover the whole coconut, of which no part of the coconut will be seen. Okay. When you are done when you are done wrapping the coconut, then the next thing to do is this: fold all the mat of the cloth together. That's when you are done wrapping it. Okay, so you fold all the mat of the cloth together, and you fold the mat to one side, like let the mat come to a particular side. Like when you are done like this, I can fold the up side you are seeing on the screen now. I will fold it downward, then the down one I'll fold it upward. You understand? So when you fold it that way, when you are done folding it, then you will have to get your threads. Remember, I told you earlier, you are going to make use of black thread. At the same time, you are going to make use of a white thread, right? You are going to make use of black thread. You are going to make use of a
white thread. So remember, black and white always agree in any condition, in any situation. So black and white always agree. That is black and white in the spiritual realm. Black and white always agree. So anytime you are going to do work that must agree to your wish, we most time will make use of black and white. That's why any work you see they do for is made of black and white. That is to agree to what you are going to see. So black and white thread always agree. So you are going to make use of black and white thread. When I say thread, like those thread are the tailors normally use to sew cloth now, like the one you are seeing, this particular one you are seeing on the screen now. So this is a black thread, okay, you are seeing on the screen. So you roll out the black thread, just roll it out. That's the black thread. Then when you're done rolling out the black thread, then you roll out the white thread. So put them together so that you can use them to tie the coconut once. So you use the black and white thread to, you'll be rolling it on the coconut. When you're rolling it, make sure you're tightening it so that it will not easily lose out. So you just roll it all over the coconut to the extent that it will cover the whole body of the coconut. Yes, you use the black and white thread to, you'll be rolling it in all the body of the coconut. As you are saying it, be making your prayers that this must be business. If I'm doing it for somebody, whatever anybody tell you to do, you must do. Whoever is going to make use of you, whatever the person says you should do for him or her, you should do. You are going to bring that person more customer. You are going to bring that person more sales. As you are rolling it, you'll be adding those prayers. You'll be adding those prayers. Very, very important. As you are rolling the black and white thread on it, you'll be saying all those prayers. If you are doing it for somebody, whoever is going to use you, we will agree to what the person is going to do. You are going to bring more customer to the person. And the person will have more sales. From the day the person will put you, start work. You don't have to delay. So you keep making the prayers. You keep making the prayers, okay? While you are rolling a thread on it, it's done, then the work is done. Then anybody can use it. You can put it anywhere. It must not be you bury it. Like the last one I did, you have to bury it on the ground, right? This one you can keep it anywhere in that shop. Anywhere you know it is safe, in the ceiling, in the ground, on the ground, or anywhere you know at all, you can put it. Just put it there. You know that no eyes or hand will be disturbing it. Okay. If you like, you can even decorate the body with you can decorate the body with like a beads so that it will look like decoration. Keep it there anyhow you want to do it. Okay, so if you find this video helpful so far, hit that like button, and anything you don't understand, ask question. I'll get back to you in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. This is Yakes.